Kösedere village is the first village you come across as you head out of Tavaklı İskelesi towards Gülpınar. At this point you have moved out of the district of Ezine and into the district of Ayvacık, still in Çanakkale of course. From this point you're about 80 kilometres from Çanakkale, 33 kilometres from Ezine, and only 27 kilometres from Ayvacık. Although Kösedere is a little inland from the sea, it is close to Tavaklı İskelesi and a long sandy beach. Also, if you drive out of the village towards Gülpınar, there is a track after the health clinic and just before the market garden on your right, which will take you to the sea and a deserted beach, whereas there is just the beautiful countryside and the seaside. Kosedere is one of the district's largest villages. With a population of about 1,200, it has its own nursery, primary and middle school, and also a health centre, or health clinic. There is an olive oil factory in the village, and an impressive new mosque, which is about 20 years old now. Walking around the village, you get to experience the blend of old and new. This is particularly noticeable when you find the old mosque, a building that was completed in 1876 and now falling into wreck and ruin. We managed to capture some of the inside in this film, and a walk round the building shows that it would take quite a lot of work to restore this. The good news is that plans are already in place to do exactly that. Details can be found on the website shown here below. Opposite the old mosque, if you look carefully, you will see there is another building with an open doorway. Look closely at the domes on the roof. This is the old village hamam, or bathhouse. It would probably have been made around the same time as the mosque, but there is no date or evidence on the building to verify this. Kösedere is very fortunate in that it has a lot of flat plains with plentiful water supply. Agriculture is the main source of income here. With an abundance of good land, the crops found in the local fields will include wheat, beans, lentils, peas, peppers, aubergine and tomatoes, which are notably good from this region and one of the main crops. There are also quite a few farms producing milk, and the local farmers tend to their livestock of cattle, sheep and goats, as well as looking after their olive groves. Just like most villages and towns in this part of Turkey, the olive production is of particular importance. Within easy reach of the sea, There's also an element of fishing as well. Walking through the centre of Kösedere, you can see that it has a fairly lively centre, focusing on the main street and the bridge over the Kosedere Creek, incidentally the river from which it gets its name. The village has its own bakery, a barber, a grocery store, small restaurant, buffet, and an auto repair shop. The hill in the background is referred to as Zincirlitepe, or Chained Hill. Just as with many of the surrounding villages here, there is a Hıdrellez in early May, where locals make a wish and say prayers. You can find out more about life in Kösedere by visiting their website at www.kösedereköyü.net. Hope you found this video useful. Please give us a thumbs up, or better still, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching. See you next time.